A stone is projected vertically up. A stone is projected vertically up from the top of a tower, at a velocity of 9.8 meter per second. It reaches the foot of the building in 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Okay. What is the height of the tower? What is the height of the tower? And the velocity of the stone. When it reaches the ground. G 9.8 meter per second square. G, what is it? 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, so now listen carefully the question. What is it? First try to understand. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ understand ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನದ. A stone is projected vertically up from the top of a tower. ಇದೊಂದು tower ಅದ. So this is the one tower. From this tower a stone it is projected means, so it will be given the velocity and it will be moving like this way. Okay, so it will be moving like this way. So projected velocity, initial velocity is given. Solution given. What is that? So initial velocity is 9.8 meter per second. It reaches the foot of the building in 4 seconds. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೋಲಕತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತೋಲಕತ್ತ. What is the height of the tower and the velocity of the stone when it reaches the ground? Okay, so what is the height? Height we have to calculate. Height and the final velocity. Final velocity is how much? That we have to calculate. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ಯದ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಮತ್ತು ಹೈಟು ಮತ್ತು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಹೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ, here the one thing they have mentioned the word g value equal to 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. ತಿಳಿತು? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲಾಗತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ರಿ? ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಡಾಟಾ ಅಂತೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕಿದು. ಈಚ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ you have to write down all the equations of motions. ಏನದ ಇದು? equation of motion ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ಗಳು. v equal to u plus at. okay, s equal to ut plus half at square. s equal to ut plus half at square. And then third one, v square equal to u square plus 2as. and fourth one Sn equal to u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. Now what the equations are there? So data ಏನದ? Okay, so what they have given the data that we can see it according to the question. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಅದ, u value ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, acceleration ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, and then they have given the what, this one what 4 seconds. We have to find out the height ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so initial velocity is there, time is also there, acceleration is also there, and then t square is also there. First we are calculating the height, means they have asked the what height, because of that we have chosen this formula. Okay, ಈಗ final velocity ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. We want to calculate the, so I want to calculate the height. Okay, so first it is the what height we are going to calculating, so that's why what we are using now this formula: initial velocity, time, acceleration. Are you understanding now? How to choose the formula ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Followed? Understanding? Okay, now see here. So this is first using s equal to ut plus half at square. S equal to what is that? Ut plus half at square. S equal to ut plus half at square means we can write down h equal to ut plus half gt square. Okay, gt square. So this formula we are using it. H equal to another ut plus half gt square ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. So first one thing we can see that, so the body it is moving upward direction, then it is returning back. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, s equal to minus h ಆಗ್ತದ. So this is acceleration is minus g. Okay, minus g. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ first it is moving upward direction. So the direction of the height is also, it is displacement is also opposite in direction. So that's why what we are going to take now. So minus h we are using it. So now substitute here ut, this is plus into minus, minus 1 by 2 gt square. Okay, gt square. So we will substitute the values here, that is 9.8 into 4 minus 1 by 2. This is a 9.8 into t, 4 into 4. Okay, 4 into 4. This 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are get cancelled. Now multiplied 9.8 into 4, how much? 39.2 is the minus. So 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 9.8. 78.4. Okay, subtract, this is minus h, minus 39.2. This get cancelled, therefore h equal to how much? 39.2. Okay, so what is the height of the tower? Tower height is how much? 39.2. Okay, got the things? 39.2 ada tower height. Once again I want to explain this one. See, so the what we are going to see now, the stone it is projected upward direction. So this is net displacement is in this direction. Okay, so ಇದು ಏನದರಿ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, and the net displacement of that body is opposite to that this direction. ಎರಡು direction to opposite ಆಗ್ಲಕತ್ತ. So the both the direction it is opposite. Because of that h we have taken the minus sign, and acceleration due to gravity is also we have taken the minus. Now the final velocity of the stone reached to the ground. Okay, the final velocity of the stone So to reach the what? Ground. To reach the ground. Okay. So that is we are going to call the using this equation using v equal to u plus at. Okay. So v equal to u plus at we are using it. So again, how we are going to see that initial velocity is there, time is also there, acceleration is also there. So then final velocity we have to find out. This is what final velocity. Because of that we are using this formula. So we are using this formula. So v equal to u plus at. So then we'll substitute the value. This is 9.8. This is plus into minus. Better I should write down here only. This is minus. This is also minus. So this is what we are getting now. 9.8 into time is 4. This is 99.8 minus ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದ 39.2 minus 29.4 6 yes 4 meter per second. The velocity negative sign indicates that initial velocity and final velocity in our opposite direction. So both it is having the what opposite in direction. Because of that so we have taken the what negative sign. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. Take down this. A stone is released from the top of a tower. During the last second of its motion, it falls through 16 by 25th of height of the tower. Calculate the height of the tower. ಇದೊಂದು ಟವರ್ ಅದ. ಈ ಟವರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so this tower, the one stone it is released. Okay, one stone it is released. So when the stone it is released means its initial velocity is what is that given. ಏನದ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ 0. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಏನದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿದು g ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 9.8 meter per second square. G value it is. Second, it falls through 16 by 25th of the height of the tower. Andreno 16 by 25th antandre 16 by 25th h ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. h height of the tower. Calculate the height of the tower ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು. height of the tower ಎಷ್ಟದ ಅಂತ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ ವಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, 50% ಡಾಟಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಅನದರ್ 50% ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 50% ಏನಿರ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So another 50% only we have to think and solve the problems. And another one thing I want to say that how to choose the formula, it is very important. Okay, how to choose the formula, it is very important, because equation of motion anyone we can use it. So according to the data which formula it is suitable for us, you have to suggest it. So see, initial velocity is given. Initial velocity is given, 0 is there and g is there. Okay, so height means s. So better I should suggest you we can choose this formula. Okay, so using s equal to ut plus half at square. S equal to another ut plus half at square. S equal to ut plus half at square means we are saying that s equal to h. So that is h equal to 0 into t plus 1 by 2, this is g into t square. So that is h equal to, this is 0 plus 1 by 2 into, this is 9.8 t square. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 0.29 ja. So that is h equal to 0 plus 4.9 t square means 4.9 t square we are getting it. H equal to. So this is we are going to call the equation 1. Okay, so that we are going to call the equation 1, we are calling it. Now this is the what second of it, it falls 16 by 25th of the height of the tower. Means nth displacement. ಓಕೆ ಎಂತ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ nth ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ nth ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ now Sn equal to u plus, in the place of a I can write down the word g by 2, g divided by 2 bracket 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1 ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. See here it is given that Sn equal to 16 by 25th of height. Sn value it is given. Okay, so that is 16 by 25th of the height. So that is 16 by 25th of the h equal to initial velocity another 0. Initial velocity is 0. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 divided by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ n value ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. What we have to take n it is not given. n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here we can use the what n equal to time t only. Okay, so this is not given. 2t minus 1, this and this get cancelled. 4.9. correct ada? Up to here you understanding, no? So next we can write down the what h value. H value is this one, 16.25 into 4.9 t square. This is equal to, so multiplied here, 4.9 into 2 is again 9. This type of problems they will going to ask in the 5 marks. And another things I want to tell you that, so this one it will going to ask in the what NEET and JEE also. NEET ಮತ್ತು JEE ನಾಗನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ 4.9 into 2 is 9.8 t minus 4.9. correct? Up to here understood, no? Any doubt? You are having any doubt? So now we can shift this side. Okay, so we are going to shifting like this side. So this one is 16 by 25 into 4.9 t square minus 9.8 t minus 4.9 equal to 0. Any doubt regarding about this, you can ask me. This side, no? Until shifting this side, it is a plus 4.9. Yes. Now we are multiplying this equation by 25 by 4.9. 25 divided by 4.9, because we require the what even numbers. ಏನದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲದ. ಸೊ the whatever the calculation is, no, it should be simplified. ಓಕೆ, ಏನೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ complicated. So better I have suggested that multiplying this one, so then 25 by this one. So what we are getting now, 16 into 225 into 4.9 t square into 25 by on both side. Okay, so this is what we are going to multiplying on both side. So this is 4.9 equal to ಇಲ್ಲ both side ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದು. Okay, so this is minus this one what we are getting, no? So 9.8 into t, so 25 by 4.9. This plus 4.9 into 25 by 4.9. Anything multiplied with the 0 is 0 only. Okay, so this 25 get cancelled, 4.9 get cancelled. This is 4.9 anja, this is 2. Okay, this is 4.9 get cancelled. What are the remaining things here? 16 into t square. Okay, this is minus 2 into 50 into t. Okay, 25 into 2 is 50. Again here it is the t is there, plus that is a 25 equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. So now what we have to do next? Next we have to use the what? Quadratic equation. So quadratic equation anna use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Quadratic equation. So write down this one. Up to here you write down it. Here the quadratic, here we are using the what? Quadratic equation, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of 4ac minus what is that formula? ಏನದ formula? b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Quadratic equation. So that is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here x means t, we are using it. X it is the what? T. Okay, x is a t. A is what is that? In the place of a it is a 16. In the place of b it is minus 50. Correct? In the place of c it is a 25. Okay, so it's a 25. So now we will substitute the values here. So in the place of x it is t. This is minus minus of minus 50 plus or minus square root of minus 50 whole square minus 4 into a 16 into c is 25 divided by 2 into 16 minus minus a plus 50 plus or minus square root of 50 whole square is 2500. Correct? 2500 minus this is 4 into 25 is 100. 25 4 is 100 into 16 is 1600. So 16 2 is 32. So this is 50 plus or minus 2500 minus 1600 is how much? 900. So this is 900 divided by 32. Now listen carefully. This is 50 plus or minus 900 square root of 900 is 30 plus or minus 30 divided by 32. So we can write down t equal to 50 plus 30 divided by 32. Okay, or t equal to 50 minus 30 divided by 32. This one is how much? 80 by 32. 80 divided by 32 is what is that answer? 8 huh? ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ 80/32 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹ್ಞೂ 2.56 second. So next this is 20 by it is 20 by 32 0.62 second. So this is lesser. Okay, this one is a lesser value. So this is less, we are not using that less value, we are using this one. The time taken by the tower, it is 2.56 second. Okay, write down. So this value we are substituting in this one, h value. So already we are knowing that h equal to what is that, 4.9 t square. So this is h value 4.9 into 2.56 whole square. 4.9 into 2.5. Now multiplied here. Meter. The height of the tower is how much? 32.0 meter. Okay. So I hope you